Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by capturing reliable data. Install GA4, server logs, and conversion pixels so nothing is lost. Once tracking is active, define 3 clear KPIs: conversion rate, customer acquisition cost, and lifetime value, because you must measure impact. Then segment your audience by channel, cohort, device, and geography to reveal differences. Make sure to validate events and filter internal traffic. This first step gives you a clean baseline to compare against future experiments and prevents chasing noise. Next, dig into funnels and behavior flows to find the largest drop-offs and the highest leverage pages or emails. Once done, generate hypotheses tied to those leaks and prioritize them using an impact versus effort framework like ICE or RICE so you focus on wins. Implement controlled experiments, /B tests with proper holdout samples, because observational correlations lie. Make sure to define metrics and sample size up front, and monitor tests for 95% confidence before rolling. Finally, when a test wins, deploy the variant broadly and document the change in playbook so teams replicate success. Automate dashboards and alerts to keep KPIs visible and schedule exports for stakeholders. This scales insights without manual work. If things go wrong, slow reporting, missing events, or odd jumps, first check tags, event schema consistency, and sampling settings, because most issues are instrumentation errors. Then roll back if needed, fix the source, and rerun the experiment to validate results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.